Recently, my pencil pouch has been damaged, so I had to get a new one. But then I thought, why not I 3D print my own box? Therefore, I headed to Maker World and searched for the design which I liked. Then I sent the design to my 3D printer. While the design was printing, I customized the label of my box with my name in the Bambulab software. This is a speed up time lapse of printing overnight. After overnight printing, my new marker shaped box is ready, and here it is. Let's assemble it. Isn't it beautiful? Please comment.